what do you mean? What do you really mean? Like, so she's like, no. So I'm like, I am there. I'm like, sometimes I'll talk out when I'm at like a beautician or whatever, but sometimes I'm there just trying to get myself together. So she said that. I'm like, okay, listen, you see, by the time she started the second brows, my eyebrows started scratching me. And I'm like, yeah. God is making an example out of me. God is going to make an example out of me today for closing my mouth. Because, you know, this summer is a closed mouth don't get fed. Closed mouth also get hurt. Yeah. So, midway through the second eyebrow, I had to tell her, yeah, I need to go and wash my face. Because it started scratching me. I need to go and wash my face. And she was waxing there. And she stopped and, allowed me to go to the bathroom and all of that. When I went to the bathroom, I washed my face. Listen, wow, the lighting. So I wash my face, I come back and, she wipe it off and to dry up the area and just continue. As you can see right now, even though the TikTok filter, you can see the little pimples. I indeed have an allergic reaction. My pores were infected. Yeah. At this point, you can, Let me tell you, when she finished doing the waxing and the tinting, my eyebrows are scratching me. And I normally, whenever I do, once the work is done properly, I leave a tip. I leave like a $500, whatever like a change I have. Whatever change I have, I leave a tip. There was no tip. I got up, I came home, and by the time I come home, my eyebrows were scratching me. Immediate shower. Immediate wash off. Tint, there was no more tint. Yeah. So I couldn't even do the video on that day because I was so upset. I was like, I waste my money just because of poor hygiene. Or, everyone have their own standards and their own practices. That might be the case. But let me tell you this. It forced me to try something new. It forced me, because I was always scared about doing my eyebrows. I was like, I can't draw my eyebrows. They're going to look horrible. And yes, they're going to look horrible. They're going to look weird. But I got up and this morning I was like, I need to. I bought the ticket already for Sumfest. I booked the room already for Sumfest. I have to go. I have to go. Average me, I would not go. It'd be like, okay, I'm not going. It's fine. I'm not going. I had to go. So, this morning I got up before work and I drew my eyebrows. And they looked horrible at first. And then I got some tissue